In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively add markers in Davinci Resolve, a powerful and popular software for video editing used by creators all around the world. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned editor, mastering the use of markers can really enhance your workflow, making it more efficient and organized. To start, open up your Davinci Resolve software. That's your first step to begin any editing project. Once you have your project open, take a look at your timeline where you've imported your clips. This timeline area is crucial, as it is where most of your editing magic happens. Now find the specific part of the clip where you wish to add a marker. Markers are incredibly useful when you want to note something or highlight specific points in your video, whether it's for identifying portions that need further editing, signaling a cut, or even leaving a note for colleagues if you're working in a team. Selecting the right point in the clip is important. Carefully scroll through your timeline and click on the exact frame you have in mind. Whenever you're working with video, precision can make all the difference, and this is no exception when placing markers. Once you have selected the frame, right-click on it. This handy little action will bring up a context menu that contains a range of options, one of which is Add Marker. Go ahead and click on that. Now you might be wondering why there are different color options for the markers. Well, it's not just for aesthetic purposes. Choosing different colors for your markers can help you categorize and organize different parts of your video more effectively. For example, you could use one color to denote areas where you need to add effects, and another for sections that are finalized. This visual distinction makes it easier to navigate your project, especially if you're dealing with a large and complex timeline. After you've added and colored your marker, it will appear on your timeline, making it extremely easy to spot whenever you need to return to that specific section. And just like that, you're done. You've successfully added a marker to your clip in Davinci Resolve. Incorporating markers into your editing process can vastly improve your efficiency by providing a straightforward way to manage and organize your projects. As you become more familiar with using markers, you'll start to see how they can be creatively employed in various scenarios beyond just organizational purposes. Hopefully, this guide helps you see how simple yet powerful markers can be as a tool in your editing arsenal. Enjoy the streamlined workflow that comes with this functionality, and happy editing!